In this video, I'm going to show you how to get engineering plastic in Once Human. So engineering plastic is this thing over here you can get in the disassembly bench, as you can see, and the best way to get it is by obtaining different items in the chalk peak area. So if I open up my map over here, chalk peak area is this area over here, which goes from levels, you can find it from 32 to 36. Now the best way to actually get it, it is in one of these towns kind of nearby this tall grass inn. Okay, so this town, for example, this one, as well as this one over here and this one up here, the items in those areas can all drop you this engineering plastic. You can also find it up here in the red sands area, however it's a bit harder, so I would recommend going to the chalk peak area and obtaining it either from killing different enemies and obtaining their loot and then disassembling that, or picking things from the ground, or which is the best, doing both. Okay, so killing enemies and picking things from the ground, from chests and stuff like this. Then once you're done, you want to come back home to your territory, open up your disassembly bench, and then you want to simply just click select all, and as you can see, you'll get a whole bunch of engineering plastic. Now if we take a look over here, what drops the most of it are things like military protective gears, and then you have different microscopes, and if I click through it some more, you can get it with, let's see where it is, you can get it with different old military helmets, you can get it inside these detectors over here, as well as then different propellers and the searchlights and stuff like this. Okay, so as you can see, there's a bunch of things you can basically disassemble to get this engineering plastic. Then once you're done, hold down your F key, and just like this, you've obtained engineering plastic, and you can now use it for whatever you may need inside the game. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.